What's going on, guys? Mitch here from Superior Engineering. Superior Engineering is a family Australian owned and operated business right here in the north side of Brisbane. And today we're going to take a look around at what allows us to proudly display that Australian made green and gold logo on thousands of our products. It all starts right here in our purpose-built facility in Burpengary, where our manufacturing team laser cuts, folds, welds all of our products and turn out over 500 products per day. Once our fabrication team's done with their job, so we send our products out to some outside suppliers. These are, again, local Brisbane-based businesses that we send our products to for powder coating or zinc plating to make sure we get that utmost protection on all of our products. Once that coating's finished, the parts are going to come back through these doors to our assembly team, where they're going to get the final touches putting those parts together. They're going to get them boxed up on the shelf, ready to export worldwide. As you can see, Superior Engineering work extremely hard to make sure as much of our manufacturing process is done right here in Australia. So if you're looking for those best Australian-made products, jump over to superiorengineering.com.au.